Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CADDVerse. In this YouTube channel we are going to upload CAD software videos. So first I'm going to start with the CATIA software. So today is my first CATIA long video I'm going to create. Let's start. So welcome to the software. So whenever we open the CATIA screen, first of all the product window screen will be open. Product means assembly. So here you can see it's open a product window. So generally in beginning we do not work in product window, so we have to close this window. So we'll go for file and we'll close this window. Now we have to take sketcher or the part design window. For that case we'll go to start and we'll go to mechanical design. Here you have part design and sketcher. So initially I'll select the sketcher and we'll do OK here. So when we open the part window, we can see here we have three planes, that is one XYZ plane, YZ plane and ZX plane. So I clicked on the plane, automatically my plane gets selected and entered to sketch mode. But if you want to go back to sketcher mode, exit from the sketch mode, you can click on exit button and we can come back to the 3D mode again. So this icon we have to select. So when we take sketcher command, this icon is automatically in orange color. So it means it is activated. Only you have to select the plane to enter to make a 3D. So if I select again, it will be enable the 3D window, means I can draw a 2D here and then I can easily convert a model into 3D. For example, if I make a simple rectangle and click on exit button, now I can create this into a 3D. For that we can switch like part design window. I can click on pad button and you can see it will convert into a 3D model. So that is the easiest way. Now here you can see this XYZ, it is written, it is called compass. This compass is very useful. With this you can rotate the model, move the model in particular directions. Okay, you can even place the compass over the model, and with that help also we can move that model from its position as well if it is required. We can click back and we can set compass back. Now once we disable the compass from its position, earlier it's showing XYZ, now it's showing UVW. So we want to reset it. For that case we go to a view option and here we have one option is called reset compass. So like this we can reset. Now here we have specification tree. So whatever we make in the software, that will be show you in the specification tree. You can see I just created a small part here, so I can see the information of that. I created a pad and one sketch. So that details we can see here. So here we have toolbars. You can see the right hand side we have toolbar and bottom side we have toolbar. In CATIA the toolbar we can arrange according to our need. Suppose this toolbar I don't need at right hand side, I need at top side, so we can drag and drop and adjust the toolbar. So in 3D basically what kind of toolbars we have, if we see one by one, this is called sketch based toolbar. In the sketch based toolbar we have to first create a sketches and then we can use this toolbar to make a 3D. Then you have one more toolbar, it's called dress up toolbar. In this toolbar we no need to create a sketch, we directly edit on 3D model, like we do fillet, chamfer, shell and other things. So we can do it from here. Then we have another toolbar are there, like here we have like for transformation purpose, for pattern purpose, scaling purpose, we have a transformation feature toolbar is available. Then here you have some mirror and other options all there. Then like scaling options are there. Then some here pattern options we have in transformation feature. Let me set in right hand side, sorry, left hand side. Then here you have some for constraint toolbar, for dimensioning purpose you can use this toolbar. And here we have a reference toolbar. Reference toolbar will be having a point, line and plane command is there. So that is used for like for creating references while working in surfaces or maybe any complex design we are making. In that cases we need extra reference planes we required. So in that cases we use it. So we can set anywhere. Okay, so we go to 2D environment and we'll see there also what we have. So we have a variety of toolbar here also. So here we have one tool is called profile toolbar. Profile toolbar we have like profile option, rectangles, circles, spline, ellipse, line, axis or point, this kind of options we have in this. Then further we have like operations toolbar, and then we have inside that realimation toolbar is there for trimming purpose. And okay, then you have a sketch toolbar that will help you to enable the grids construction line, and even you can give inputs when you're working with any command. For example, if I take a rectangle, you can see it'll open some options here where you can add your inputs. Now here you have exit workbench option. So with that help, you can, once you working 2D and your work is complete, you want to go to 3D environment, you can use exit this option. And here we have a constraint toolbar. Then we have a filter toolbar is there, user selection filter toolbar. While working 3D and 2D, we need some filters to selection purpose, so in that case we can use it. And bottom we have some toolbars, like we have a view toolbar. This is control the view options like pan, zoom in, rotate, normal to screen, that model 3D model views types, that like views we have. Then you have a standard toolbar that will help you to use open, save and all. Okay, then here you have some visualization toolbar is there. Then you have a knowledge toolbar for function purpose. Then we have measure toolbar. Like that we have a lot of different tools are available. As per the need we use that. Now by default, generally the tools will be set on right hand side at bottom only. You can arrange as per your need. Suppose any of the toolbar by mistake we cancelled and we need it, so in that cases, if I know the name of the toolbars, I can bring them back. For that cases, I can go for view and toolbar. If I know that particular toolbar name, like I know that is sketch tool, that will be come back. So like that I can bring. But if I cancel a lot of tools and now even I don't know some of the names, and I want to restore exactly their positions also, so in that cases, instead of doing this, we can reset that completely. So what we can do in that case is we'll go to tools option, and we have one option is called customize. Then we'll go to toolbar option, and here we have restore all content. So it will be restore your content, and then we'll click on restore positions and we'll click OK. So here you can see that toolbar will be set at like a beginning. So some tools that you don't require, that you can cancel it, which you required you can arrange it. Okay, like that. Now you can start working with that tools, and you can adjust the toolbar. Like here I want to adjust some of the toolbar at the top here also, so top side, some left side. Okay, we can arrange the toolbar, so while working we can easily get them. So this is how beginning the toolbar will be there. In CATIA, toolbar is not fixed always, you can arrange the toolbar as per your need. Now I deleted the sketch, I make a pad. If I exit, what happened, it will be show some error because I deleted the sketch. So it is coming red color. It's red color means the software will ask for the updates. If I press Ctrl U for update, because the sketch is deleted, so the software will be got in conflict. So if you try to delete, so you have to delete the complete part. Then again you can press U. Now you can see there is no pad option. Now at bottom you can see here you have a power search command. Power search command is used for like searching any command. If you know that command name and you want to search it and you are not finding directly, you can type it here. You have to type C, then you have to type colon, and you have to type the command name. Like I'm typing pad1 command name and hit enter. So it will be open that tool. You can see tool is active here. Now the tool has been opened. So you can directly use the tool by searching also. Next, here you can see, we can see the coordinate system also, XYZ positions. So we have different workbenches. Like this is a part workbench and sketcher workbench. Like if you want to active any other workbenches, you can go to mechanical window. You can go to product window. Like in the beginning we have seen that product window is open. So we can open from here also. We want to open sheet metal window, we can go for generative sheet metal design. So this will be sheet metal environment. Okay, you can see here we have sheet metal tools. Then if I want to go to surface designing window, we have wireframe surface design is there. And here you can check, you have wireframe and surface designing tools are available. Similarly, you can open more workbenches. Maybe you want to work with drawings and all, you can click drafting and you can select the pages here, and here it will be open the drawing window where you can access the drawing tools. So in upcoming sessions I'm going to cover all that like workbenches one by one, and we are going to discuss all the tools from it. So this is our first video, introduction video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video and give your support. Please subscribe and give your support to me so I can make more videos to my channel. Thank you.